In this video, we will introduce Relative Layout Part 2. Relative Layout lets you position your components based on the nearby relative or sibling component's position. It's the most flexible layout that allows you to position your component to display anywhere you want, if you know how to position it. Let's finish our main2.xml example. I'm going to go ahead and add two more buttons. And now I'm going to add, instead of align parent right, I'm going to use align parent left. And this positions the right edge of this view to the left of the given anchor view ID. It accommodates right margin of this view and left margin of an anchor view. I'm also going to add the Android layout below attribute, and I'll leave the value to be button 1. And this positions the top edge of this view below the given anchor view ID. Now I'm going to add another button. It's going to be called button 2. And I'm going to add the layout below again to the same button 1. And this time I'm going to use layout to right of. And this positions the left edge of this view to the right of the given anchor view ID. Finally, I'm going to add my text to this button. Change it to 2. So now let's demonstrate our functionality. I already have the Android emulator up and running, and I also have already installed my app on the emulator. If you want to start the emulator and install and run your app, right-click on the project, select Run As Android Application. Here we have the screen. And as you can see, everything is positioned relative as we defined it. We have our label, our input, our submit under it, and also our 3 buttons. This concludes our discussion of Relative Layout Part 2.